Don't look back, I wanna show you the wonders of the universe, girl. Take my hand and you will see. We've got just one life, baby.
Hello, my name is Shantae. Welcome back to my channel. Shantae did a thing, cause you know your girl stay doing things. So I know I haven't posted in a while, but guys, I promise you there's a reason. I know I've only been pushing shorts for the last like couple months or almost a year, but I've been working tirelessly on a new business venture. If you guys heard anything about my other videos, I'm trying to do a 1-year trip around the world, and I can't do that if I'm working a 9 to 5. I gotta get more money to be able to afford to go on this trip and then come back and not be poor. But yeah, I've been working tirelessly on this new project, it's a travel business. Right now the products I'm selling are like luggage tags, they're handmade, passport books. We're working on like some backpacking backpacks and just a lot of cool things. Oh, by the way, definitely subscribe to my social media. If you guys haven't subscribed to all my social media accounts, go ahead, do it now. Links in the description box below, or you can just go to the website and just type in my name. It's the same across the board. Shantae did a thing. You know, gotta keep that, business minded mind. Anyway, well, here's a quick like behind the scenes video of like my little studio. It's not really a studio, it's in my house still. My mom does not like I took over her kitchen and the dining room and the living room, but she's gonna have to deal with that. My room not big enough. Anyways, yeah, come check out behind the scenes. I'm launching Valentine's Day, February 14th, so definitely go ahead. A website is coming through, and 14 won't be ready by Valentine's Day, but definitely hit me up on social media. I am most active on Facebook at Shantae Did a Thing, just facebook.com/Shantae Did a Thing. I do occasionally go to Twitter, not much because Twitter is toxic. Instagram is not really my thing, but I am trying to get more on it, and I am on TikTok, unfortunately. Anyways, yeah, come check out my videos. Leave me a comment on YouTube. I do check those comments as well as Facebook the most, so definitely go ahead, give this video a like, subscribe if you haven't, and I'm excited for the future. Y'all, so this is my setup for my new business. Got my sewing kit. Sorry, it's a little junky. I'm gonna try not to put that on camera. Empty water bottles. I just bought all of this stuff. This is all my product. Everything is organized. I got some more product over here. Whew. Goodness, got my treadmill. I work out in between. Got some more thread over here. See, this is my full setup. This top shelf, this box here, have some sticky tags there. It's full of zippers, googly eyes, fabric glue, pins, buttons, Velcro, extra supplies, straps, just everything. This right here is the Holy Grail, the book where I'm putting all of my patterns, designs, the cost of everything, coupon codes, and just I haven't filled anything out yet, but yeah, that's literally what I'm doing here. This right here is just my container full of all my receipts I bought from Joann's, Michael's, Hobby Lobby, Walmart. So I don't know how much I spend, but I'm pretty sure it's over $2,000. But you know what they say, you gotta go big or go home. This one is full of more junk, papers and stuff. This shelf is just product that I have cut out already. I just haven't, stitched it together, sewn it together. This section is full of mostly patterns, things online. I'm gonna tell you right now, I have not followed a single pattern to the T. It's just like, as I'm like sewing a pattern, I just realized that I can make it like different, like not exactly like the pattern. Like I just have an idea. I can't return this. I should have returned it. I already cut it. This is just like kind of lining, just black lining for different things like purses and stuff. This next row is pretty much just regular fabric. Got some really cool ones here that I got. Little African prints. This, ooh, I can't, ooh, God, y'all don't know what I'm about to make, but this one, woo! This one is so pretty. I'm about to make something really nice with that. We got some more here. La, 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 la. We got my travel fabric. Y'all know I can't start a travel business, travel company, having a travel channel and not have travel fabric. Like, no way. Next one is like fleece, faux, what's it? Fleece and minky. It's called minky something. The type of fabric this is. This is my cotton for my travel pillows, y'all. This is like the interfacing. So these are like the stuff that makes bags or different products make it stiff, so it doesn't like just flop down. This is more like my heavy fabrics, waterproof fabrics. I have jeans right here. Whatever this fabric is called. Yeah, some really nice. I can't wait to get started on this one. Like, I'm really excited. I have a couple ideas. And then down here we have my leather, vinyl, faux leather. Like, I love this black thing right here. I love it. I cannot wait to get started on that. Yeah. But yeah, this is a couple of my stuff. I have some more stuff in here. And here we got like finished products. Ah, sneak peek. And this one we got like straps, lace, other supplies. Yes, all my boxes are travel themed, of course. This is like scraps folder. Oh, not that. Just like scraps. I have receipts for a couple of things that I'm not sure if I want to return them or not, so I keep them in here so I don't lose them. This one is other fabrics that are unopened, basically. Some really nice cool ones in here. Ooh, I still don't know what to do with this one yet, but something gonna be cool. I even got some joke fabric. Ramen noodles. Yo. Do you like this? Should I return this? This is... I got like 2 pieces of joke fabric. I thought someone might like it because I kind of like it. And then here we got packaging. So we got some bags here where I'm going to be shipping products in. We got some gift tissue to make it look professional, you know. Yeah, zippers, whatnot, lots of product. Ooh, I love this fabric. I can't wait to show you guys this. Yeah, there's a lot of like really cool things that I've gotten. I can't wait to like show you guys. I know my peanut butter right here. Big old jar of peanut butter. I'm sorry. Don't judge me, okay? I'm just trying. I'll explain in a different video, but I joined like a workout challenge with a kickboxing studio near me, and pretty much I bet $500 that I can lose 25 pounds in 6 weeks or 6% body fat. So I'm trying not to eat right now, so I'm eating peanut butter to make me feel full. Yeah, okay. Well, that's enough for the behind the scenes. Yeah, I got this little iron. I didn't show you guys this. It's so cute and it does the trick. It really does the trick. Anyway, let me get back to work. I can't wait to show you guys the finished product. Hopefully people like it other than myself and my mama. My mama likes the stuff. She already asking me if I can just give her some of the stuff for free. Well, hope you guys like this product. I'm excited. I'm passionate about it. I actually stay up until like 6 a.m. to like actually work on this stuff. 6, 7 a.m. I'm just like, I get up, you know, 5 hours, 3 hours later, I'm just like, whoa, I'm right back working again. Oh gosh, this has to work. Like, guys, this really has to work. I'll explain on my other YouTube channel, Shantae Said a thing. The situation with my job, or a job I did have, currently have, I don't know. But it's just like this is the last straw. I gave myself one more chance at a regular 9-to-5 job. And if that doesn't work out, like, I have no excuses anymore, but I have to start a business, and basically it has to work. Anyway, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Guys, I'm so excited about these. They're like passport wallets. Yay! It's so hard to do it with one hand. I love it. Oh my god, I'm keeping this one for myself. Yes.
If pretty was a person, if pretty was a person, if pretty was a person.